Hello again, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to free up unused space in your Excel file. Sometimes you'll have a file you've been working in and deleted a lot of rows or columns, and that space is unnecessarily being tied up by Excel unless you free it up. And another example of space that gets tied up is the biggest problem I've seen is when people copy a filtered set of data from one sheet to another. That ties up millions of bytes of data. So let me show you that one. So here I have a filtered list of just two records in my header. And if I take this and copy it to a new sheet here, as you can see, that's taking a while. It really only put 3 rows of data in here. So if I look at this, though, it really is tying up about every row. If you hit end home, you see the last used cell by Excel. And it's all the way down at 1,047,000. So these things can be quite annoying. And if I went and saved this right now, so I'll just save this as let's just call it space. And as you see here, let's go in and look at how much space that ate up. Okay, 9 meg that just ate for 3 rows of data. And that is not what we want, obviously. So we have this free space function here, and if I click this, what it does, it goes and checks for the last really used cells and frees up everything else. Now if I hit end home, you see it stops in this last cell here. And now if I save this, and we'll look at the size of it again, it went down to 9 kilobyte versus almost 10 meg. So this is a nice little feature that you can use to free up space, but also just to let you know, many of the functions up here have this built into it, so it frees it up when you actually execute, like header filter, it will go and clean up space. Sometimes the free space function does not work on merged uh, files that have merged data. So it isn't 100%, but it works most of the time. So I hope that was helpful. I hope you have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye.